In today's video, I'm going to teach you creating automated workflows in Microsoft SharePoint Online with Power Automate. Office 365 will start in SharePoint Online. Open SharePoint from your Microsoft 365 apps and sign in with your work account. You'll need at least edit permissions on the site where you want to automate actions and permission to create flows in your tenant. Next, navigate to the site where your content lives. This could be a team site or a communication site. Head to the area you want to automate. Today we'll work from the Pages library, but the same approach also applies to document libraries and lists. Open the Pages library from the site's left navigation. If you don't see it there, you can go through Site Contents and select Pages. Working directly in the library ensures the flow is automatically scoped to the right site and content. At the top of the library, select Integrate. This is the command that connects SharePoint with automation tools. From the Integrate menu, choose Power Automate. You'll see options that let you create a new flow based on the context of this library. Choose Create a Flow. A panel will open on the right with ready-made templates. These templates save time by pre-wiring common triggers and actions. Pick a template that matches your scenario, such as sending a notification when a page is published, starting an approval when content changes, or posting an update to a team channel. You can refine it later. When the template opens in the Power Automate Designer, pause to verify connections. Look for green check marks next to each required connection: SharePoint, email, Teams, or approvals depending on the template. If any show a sign-in prompt, select Sign In and complete it so the flow can access those services securely. Also confirm the site address and the Pages library are correctly populated. Now customize the flow steps, update email subjects and body text to be clear and actionable, add dynamic content like the page title and a direct link, and specify recipients or channels that should be notified. If you're using approvals, tailor the approval details and who should approve. Keep descriptions meaningful so future editors understand what each action does. Finally, select Save. Saving activates the flow and links it to your Pages library. Give the flow a clear name so it's easy to find later. From now on, whenever the trigger condition in your template occurs, the flow will run automatically using the connections and settings you configured. That's it. You've connected SharePoint and Power Automate to streamline your content process with a reliable, reusable workflow.